There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie Black Crew Cab 4x4 in diamond black crystal pearl. With black headlamp bezels, sport performance hood, 22-inch polished aluminum wheels, power running boards, Ram box cargo management system, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 12-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, Ram Charger wireless charging pad, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, blind spot and cross path detection, HD radio, rear underseat compartment storage, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 19-speaker HARMAN KARDON premium sound, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3218A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.